The president of Goan Hockey. On behalf of Goan Hockey family and Hockey India, I congratulate all the Indians as well as Goans that Hockey India has completed 100 years. Hockey has been a very challenging journey. We have seen hockey is a national games, but still there were ups and downs. But due to the efforts taken by Hockey India and Government of India and Government of Orissa, now hockey is going to the next level. You might have heard also we got bronze medal last year in Olympics. Recently we have won Asian Games. Gold medal we got for men's category. We got silver for the women's category. As a part of 100 year celebration in Goa, today we had events at 4 locations. At Padai we had 3 games. At Gudi we had 2 games, and at Loyola we have 1. So totally there were 7 games played. That is one. And at Navili Higher Secondary School, at Rosary Higher Secondary School, today we had a diet camp, inauguration of diet camp, which was organized in association with DSY, Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. We had presence of Ullas Tuekar, the chairman of KTCL, Kadama Transport Corporation Limited. Goa has been doing great. In last year or so, in men's category, we defeated Gujarat 6-0. We defeated Andhra. We defeated Uttarakhand. This has been a great achievement by Goan Hockey men's team. Similarly, as I said, in junior women team, we have been upgraded. We have won all the games, and now we have gone to B group. We are in the C group. And I'm hoping that next year, by the efforts taken by Goan Hockey, we will surely try to reach to Group A. So Group A means you fight for the championship. So because I think government of Goa has helped Goan Hockey a lot to achieve such feats. Recently, there is a proposal going on with government of Goa for South Goa ground. So I think that also is going to add up, and players from Kanpon, Sangay, Cafe, which are who are the building blocks of our Goan team, they will get opportunity to be part of it. Again, on behalf of Goan Hockey, I wish all Indians, on behalf of Hockey India also, 100 years completion.